Have you been drinking?
On a Thursday?
He seems ideal.
We're not asking anyone to stop drinking because we're not hypocrites or squares. We're just concerned friends. Look, I think if it has food, it's allowed to have a bar.
You don't have to do this, Sheriff. It's your last day on the job.
That's exactly why I must. And go take care of my granddaughter. I ain't scared of you! Leaving all in Donegal. Right clouds! Going!
I think it ran out of gas.
So he could have survived if he just stood back 5 feet.
Let's not tell his granddaughter that.